example 8, the manager of a local branch wants to estimate the average amount held in passbook savings accounts by depositors at the bank. So he just wants to know an average estimate of how much money is in each account, and then maybe the total amount of the money that is in their accounts. So from past experience, it is known that the savings are normally distributed, okay, so that's great, with a standard deviation of 9. So I'm writing this down now, that I have a standard deviation of 9. A sample of 36 accounts were examined. So here we go into our samples. And what do I know about the sample? So 36 accounts, so N is 36. And the sample mean, so X bar, was €100. Right, so what do I want to do now? It says obtain a 95% confidence interval for the true average savings. Well, I'm just going to go for the 95% confidence interval first. I'm going to get my statistic, plus or minus 1.96 times my standard error of means, which is that. You go to your log tables, you get it. So we have 100 plus or minus 1.96 times 9 over root 36. And throw that into the calculator. You should end up with €97.06. So that's the lowest part of my interval. And up at the top here, I have 102.94. So I'm going to write this a bit more mathematically. What do I think lies in here? I think the real mean lies within these two numbers. Now, I can't be fully sure of it. I can only be 95% confident of it. So there's my interval. What does that interval tell me? It's about money. It's about the average money in the account. So there it is. It's, I guess, what they mean by the word true. So when they said obtain 95% confidence interval, I have that done for the true average savings. Well, I don't know for sure what the true average savings are, but this is my best interval from the data that I have. And then part B, if the total number of accounts is 5,000, obtain a 95% confidence interval for the total saved at this bank. So the total number of accounts is 5,000, which means that every one of those accounts has at least, in my opinion, from the maths that I've done, €97.06. So I'm going to multiply that by 5,000 because each account has minimum that amount in it, from what I can work out, which means that if each account has that in it, altogether the bank and if each account has that in it, and there's 5,000 accounts, there's part B. So there's my answer to part A, and there's my answer to part B.